Looking for the best security camera system to protect your home or business in 2026? With so many options out there, choosing the right one can be overwhelming. So in this video, I've picked the top 5 best security camera systems that offer the best combination of video quality, smart features, storage, and value for money. Whether you want a wireless setup, no subscription fees, or a professional-grade wired system, I've got you covered. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Aosu Wireless Outdoor Security Camera System, 6-Cam Kit. This is a completely wireless, solar-powered security system with a 6-camera setup. It features 5-megapixel resolution, 360-degree pan and tilt, and comes with local storage, no subscription needed. If you want a hassle-free installation, this Aosu system is one of the best. The solar panels mean you don't have to worry about charging, and the auto-human tracking feature makes it incredibly smart for outdoor security. Pros: no monthly subscription, solar-powered, low maintenance, 360-degree coverage with pan and tilt, easy DIY installation. Cons: not ideal for large commercial setups. Wi-Fi dependency can affect stability. Homeowners who want a wireless, easy-to-install system. Number 2. LongPlus 12-megapixel PoE security camera system. This is a high-end wired PoE system featuring 12-megapixel Ultra HD resolution, 16-channel NVR, and 4 terabyte storage. If image clarity is your top priority, this system delivers incredibly sharp footage. The person and vehicle detection reduces false alerts, and the color night vision is a huge plus. Pros: stunning 12-megapixel video quality, reliable wired connection, smart AI detection, large 4 terabyte storage. Cons: installation requires wiring, higher upfront cost, users who want maximum clarity and reliability. Number 3. ONWOTE 4K PoE security camera system. This is a commercial-grade system with 8 cameras, 16-channel NVR, and 4 terabytes HDD, offering 4K recording in wide 134-degree viewing angles. This system is perfect for businesses or large properties. The wide-angle cameras cover more area, and the audio recording and AI detection add an extra layer of security. Pros: wide 134-degree field of view, built-in audio recording, strong build quality, ideal for large areas. Cons: complex installation, not beginner-friendly. Businesses or users needing wide coverage and durability. Number 4. LongPlus 4K PoE security camera system, 8 cameras. This is a balanced mid-range system with 4K recording, 8 wired cameras, and a 16-channel NVR with 4 terabyte storage. It offers a great balance between performance and price. You get reliable wired security with smart detection features and continuous recording. Pros: good value for money, reliable 24/7 recording, smart person and vehicle detection, expandable system. Cons: wired setup required, slightly bulky installation. Users looking for a balanced and affordable wired system. Number 5. Hiseeu 16CH 3K wired security camera system. This system includes 16 cameras, 3K resolution, and a 3 terabyte hard drive designed for full property coverage. If you want maximum camera coverage at a budget, this is a strong choice. The dual light system improves night visibility, and the audio recording is a nice bonus. Pros: 16 cameras included, budget-friendly for large setups, smart detection features, good night vision. Cons: lower resolution compared to others. Wired installation can be time-consuming. Large homes or users needing many cameras on a budget. So that was the top 5 best security cameras in 2026. If you want something easy and wireless, go with the Aosu system. For best image quality, the LongPlus 12-megapixel is a clear winner. And if you need full coverage for large areas, the Hiseeu 16-channel system is a great budget option. All product links are in the description below, so feel free to check them out. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.